Before you take off for the holidays, it might be helpful to know the latest COVID numbers. City of Huntsville had its weekly COVID briefing, and Ayanna Willoughby gives us an update.
I'm sure everyone's ready to have so much holiday fun, but before you head off to your mom's house or your dad's house or even your grandma's house, you might want to learn about the COVID precautions that the City of Huntsville talked about earlier today in the weekly COVID briefing. COVID numbers are looking a little better than they were earlier this year.
Currently 44 COVID patients inpatient. 14 of those are in the intensive care units and 9 of those are on ventilators.
Hospitals like Crestwood Medical Center and Huntsville Hospital are accepting patients for non-COVID related procedures.
Hospitals are back to work and busy and care as usual, except for some visiting restrictions. So I'd encourage you, if you're visiting the hospital, to check in with the nurse leaders and find out what the COVID update is with regards to visiting.
So if you want to visit someone in the hospital for the holidays, be sure to call or check the hospital's policy online before you go. And if you plan on being around a large crowd, health experts want you to consider getting a booster shot, and here's why.
First of all, the current state of the pandemic. It is not waning very much across the country, still with pockets of outbreaks in areas in particular that are under-vaccinated. The second thing is that the demonstrated decline in overall protection for those who received the primary series over time. Granted, it is not a tremendous amount, but every percentage point is helpful. So that was included in their thought process. And then finally, the continued review of the vaccine safety data indicates that this really is not a vaccine that should be withheld from anybody that wants to get it.
Stay safe and happy holidays. In Huntsville, Ayanna Willoughby, Fox 54 News.